Alright, that's the first time I've ever been cut off on my video. But, talking through this again, okay, this again, it should be something that you've done before. You know H, you know K, you know X, you know Y, so you can plug in all of your information. The last thing you need to find is A. So go through and find A, and then put all of your numbers back into our general form of the equation, H and K with our A value. Alright? This last one is actually meant to be on your own. You can try this one either by option 1, which was completing the square, or by option 2, which is using the negative b over 2a method. Look at your notes, okay? Look at the ones that we just did. Those will help you. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave you to it, all right? And this will be a quick video because it'll really just be you checking your answer. But be careful with your fractions. All right, we're gonna go through and we're gonna talk through each one of these. Completing the square should be a process you're okay with. Your fractions just might have gotten a little bit messy. So first thing, divide everything through by 2/3. Use your calculator, let it help you, okay, to get that 33 halves. Complete the square, you're going to take negative 27, divide it by 2, square it, you get 729 over 4. Add it to both sides. Again, calculator for the fraction work. It can do the work for you, let it. This number is what goes in your binomial squared. I subtracted the 663 over 4 to the other side, and multiplied everything through by 2/3, and this was my final answer. Okay. Option 2 was using our A, H, and K shortcuts. So A is just the same as the A that's here. Okay, that's not going to change. H is what happens when you take negative b over 2a, because that's part of this complete the square step, negative b over 2a. Okay, so we're going to get 27 halves for H. And then our K value is what happens when you take this negative b over 2a, or in our case 27 halves, and you plug it into your function f of x. So everywhere I see an x, I plugged in 27 halves. Calculator work, negative 22 over 2 is your K value. So then put it all together, you've got you've got A, H, and K, which match up perfectly with what happened when we completed the square. So decide which method you like better, and it is up to you for how you get to standard form.